Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy F05 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. We start off opening calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 28th of November. There is plus icon and first step, add title of your event. There we can add emoji to our title and change color about our notification to this event. In this part we can set it will be all day event, or we can set when event start, in which time and finish, what you need and prefer. There we can add location of that, access this event about what is it, about our house, work, family, about our Gmail account. There we can set alert to this event, as notification, repeat of that if we need it, notes to that, make video conference when event start, add attachment, invite some people, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save. And you have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!